Hi everyone, so thanks for watching this video. What we're going to do here is we're going to take a look at the physical aspects of the router. Now, I started this video by grabbing a 1941 router from down the bottom, just dragging it on, and here it is. And I just grabbed an end device as a PC, just any of them. And from there I grabbed a console connection and connected both of these together via the console port. Well, I believe it was via console ports on this one. Fast Ethernet on the PC to the console port on the router 2, but we don't actually have to worry about this, and just move that over so you get the whole little display of what's involved with the router. But from here what we're going to do is we're going to actually take a look at the physical aspects of this router, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And if you look over here, we can see here we've got the nice little console port connection right here. We've got the auxiliary GE01 and GE00 here. Now these are the main connection ports and all that for routers, and we'll go into that at some point later, but I just wanted to show you those two things. To be honest, that's pretty much all that we needed to worry about at this point. And now over on say no for this, we're going to just take a look at a couple of things. We're just taking a look into the router, so we want to go to enable, and this is where we want to be. We're going to show version, and there we go. And if we go back and take a look through all of this stuff, see software 1900, and we grabbed a 1941 router, and if we just look through these things, we can see it's been up for only 2 minutes 50 seconds. So it's relatively fresh and all that. So from here we're going to just move on a little bit, and we'll go show int and just take a look at what options are here. Now there's the gigabit, there's the fast Ethernet. We'll take a look at G, and from here we can do, so 0 to 9. We've only got ports 0 and /0, which it'll tell us that we need to slash there by questioning it again, and we've got 0, 0 and 0/1, and as you can see here, it's showing us the MAC address of this port and everything else. So all these other details, we don't really need to worry about any of these at this level. Just showing you what it actually controls and what you can view from this little diagnostic screen, and then later on we'll be going a bit more in depth. So from here we show int, again take a look what's there. Got serial, and want to take a look at 0/0/0. Now if we go back here, we can question mark it, and it's got 0 to 24, but we don't need that. We're just going to leave the zeros and all that. And if we look at here, a lot of the time when I'm actually working in physical labs, it only really shows options between 0 and 1, so through the serial ports. But now see, it hasn't picked up anything here, but if we go back onto the physical, we don't actually have any listed serial ports here, so that's why we're not picking up any real notice. Sorry, I just accidentally clicked off on the router, but we've got no actual serial ports to use in this with this router. We would need to find a different one, but we're not going to worry about that at the moment. All you've got to understand is that for this router, for the 1941, we've got 2 gigabit Ethernet ports and 1 console port. Now, the console allows us to connect directly to the router, but the gigabit Ethernet ports allow connections to other things such as computers and all, but we haven't got that in this instance. We've just imagine that we've consoled straight into the router and we're taking a look at the settings. We haven't got anything else set up. We can view what interfaces we've got and they can tell us details, but until we actually have a massive setup, this is the best that we've got. So thanks for watching. We'll continue on with a bit more router stuff in the near future, and I think you'll find that this video has benefited you for later learning. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.